All right, so now that we've logged in, we're gonna go ahead and click on download installer. Actually download zip. From zip, the file is gonna download at the bottom. What we're gonna do is go open our folder. Within the folder, we're gonna get to wait for the download to complete, and then we're going to click on extract from the folder that just downloaded to our desktop. Extract the folder to your any location you choose a preference. Once it opens and extracts, you want to go ahead and in there, go ahead, click new, and we're going to go to text document to create the magic button that we need to make this very portable where it doesn't affect your OBS already built into your computer. So go ahead, copy what you see here, portable underscore mode. With that, now anytime OBS opens up, it won't actually affect your game or your OBS streams. So once you have all of that, go ahead. What we're going to do is also create a shortcut for OBS. So we're going to right click that. You might have to click show more options. Once you click show more options, go ahead and create a shortcut and copy that to the locations which is easier for you to find. So we're just going to put that on the root of this folder for us. Once you've managed to do all of that, what we're going to do is now we have to work on the plugins that we've already had in OBS. We're going to make sure we can capture and update those as much as possible for OBS 28. So we're going to go to streaming tips. The links for that will be in the description below. Once you're there, you're going to go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom, and we're going to look for StreamUp plugin installer by Silverlink. Full credit to him for creating this. You can download, you can donate if you want to. You can just put 0 if that's all you can afford at the moment. But put 0, download the content, and it's going to go into your same downloads folder. So we're going to download the zip file. After you download the zip file, what we want to do is go ahead into our downloads folder, extract that, same as we did before. Once we extract it, we're going to see a couple of files in there. One of them is going to be a README. Definitely check that out to see what's exactly going to get updated. From whatever you verify in there as part of your updates you're looking for, go ahead and run the batch file. At this point, this could take some time, depends on how many applications you have, and Windows might throw a red flag. It's completely safe. Again, read the security warnings. Once you've read everything, go ahead, hit R once. So go ahead, type R, hit enter into there. And you're gonna see a long hacking occasion going on here. If you like the video so far, like, subscribe if you made it this far. Go grab a cup of coffee, walk away. This could take anywhere from a couple of seconds to about, for my case, about 10 minutes of files. It could have just been the network itself, everyone using this. Once that's completed, you should see a file now that says OBS Studio at the top here. We want to go ahead and go into that file. Once you're in there, you're going to copy everything in there into the portable version of OBS that we plan on using. So go back, copy that, go in the root file, and in there, we're going to go to OBS plugins. You're going to paste everything into there. Once everything's pasted in, go ahead and now we're going to fire up our OBS shortcuts to make sure it's the correct version. Give it a moment, it should pop up. Now we have the auto configuration wizard. You can go ahead and set this up if you want to, take your time with that. And then now we're going to also work on importing our OBS. And this is also just a release notes included in the default, so you can see exactly what was added to it. If you haven't checked out the other videos, which will be posted, I want to say at the top over there, in one of the directions. Go ahead, play around with your OBS 28, your portable testing environment, basically. And from here, you can even import. So I believe that is a file scene collection. You can do an import on that. If you've had a JSON file somewhere, go ahead and click on that, save. You want to hit import, and all your settings and visuals and scenes should import correctly if you exported that from previous version of OBS. So as we see, it imported correctly. Now, here's where a lot of your plugins, either if they haven't been updated or installed, you're going to have to go in one by one to verify, install those on your computer to verify that those are working. Quick, simple way of testing out OBS before you update it and lose all your settings. And as we see, source mirror is not added yet, so I'm going to actually test that manually offline. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, drop a comment below and let me know if this video helped you out with any situation.